guys, welcome back. Quickie here with a sticker haul. This one is from a company that I do PR for. This is from B&R Papercrafts, and I absolutely adore them. I wanted to show you what you get in a mystery kit. She has mystery kits every month, and so you're definitely going to want to check that out. And you also will get this freebie right here. And don't forget to mention my names in notes to seller. Look at that gorgeousness right there. So cute. Love it. All that foil. And I definitely use my freebies. So, let's go ahead and get started. I love how she has her packaging as well. She has everything, there's nothing going to get into it, pretty much. You know, weather-wise, it is so awesome. And this one right here was a mystery kit. This is the February one. I can't wait to get the March one. This one is a mini kit, actually, so you're getting ready to see how much is in one of her mini kits. Oop, I'm dropping everything. Sorry, guys. So, this one is called Cruella, and as you can see why, I fell in love with this kit. I love the colors. I love the differentness of it. You don't find kits like this very often, so definitely like to have different things in my kit, my planners that you don't see in everybody else's. So here are your full boxes, which I think she captured beautifully. And then here are your bottom washi strips, and then your days of the week and quarter boxes or appointment boxes. Here are some full check heart boxes, half check heart boxes, the flags, some icons, Plan With Me Monday, Take Out Garbage, Movie, Laundry, Weekend, and then she has your date dots down here. Then you have your appointment boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes right here. And then I've got everything turned upside down. Then you have more washi strips, I believe, yes. And then your littles down here, and then your headers with to do today, littles, and this week, next week, workout dinners, happy mail, work, and to buy for your sidebar. You get glitter headers. Aren't those beautiful, guys? Look at there. And then I'm assuming more bottom washi if you wanted to change your washi out. And more quarter boxes, half boxes, and appointment boxes, flags. And that came in this month's kit. Each kit will be different, and I'm excited. Like I said, I cannot wait to see this come in month's kit. Always, always beautiful. The next thing that I ordered, and this is in the matte, is the PP Weeks kit. And here you go. This very first one is Rainy Day. So here are your what would be your full boxes on your PP week and your quarter boxes. And then some headers, quarter boxes in bottom washi. And then some quarter boxes that are a little bit bigger and appointment boxes, or however you like to use them. Some are bigger, some are little. I like to have those options, so that's awesome. And then the weekend banner, 3 bow flags, and your days of the week, even a day off. Isn't that beautiful? What a cute little kit. I love it. That was the Rainy Day. And this one is the Farmhouse. Look at that. And I had to get it because it had the coffee cup that said Hot Mess Express. Y'all know that's totally me, just saying. So here are your full boxes and your quarter boxes, your bow, headers, quarter boxes, and bottom washi. Again, your quarter boxes or appointment boxes, your weekend banner, your 3 bow checklist, and your days of the week. And the colors are absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And they're both in matte. So definitely go check her out. Check out the mystery kit. You're going to want to do that. It's so fun. You never know what you're going to get, but when you get it, look. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the freebie, and don't forget to mention me in notes to seller so that you can get that. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell.